take one. So we're running at all points. I'd now proudly like to present 2 cycles. I'll just start that again. Sorry. We've got lots of tape. Here we go. Chris Grimes, slightly barking washing machine. Take 2.
I'm proud to present 2 cycles, a small wash and a spin.
Culminating in a coffee cup whipple. Thank you. Oh, easy. Take 3. Got that again, so I'm in cut, sorry. I'm going to do 2 cycles. No, hang on a second. I'm feeling a bit tense then. Now, I'm proud to present 2 cycles. Sorry, I'm not going to say I'm proud to present, just 2.
Hello, my name's Chris Grimes.
And welcome to my crockery management skills are not what they ought to be, sorry. You can't teach that. Thank you.